Good morning, Lafarge. Drink Pepsi, it's good for energy. The bath's on, smoke in the bedroom. Sore throat and on my neck a nasty bruise. And where it came from, well I don't